Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add timestamp in YouTube video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use one of my recent video that I've uploaded, and I'm going to take, for example, this video here, right? So you can put the timestamp in the YouTube video two ways. You can do it at the initial stage when you upload the video, when you'll have the window where it shows the video is uploading and you can fill in the title, the description and so forth, or you can upload it afterwards like you see here on this video, and I have the current details here. So you want to add this within the description of this video, and this video is about 1 minute and 30 seconds, right? So you want to go ahead and add the following in your description. So anywhere within your description, preferably not directly to the top but a little bit under the first paragraph or something like that, you want to start by adding the following 00:00, and you want to add that by doing something like an intro, and you want to call this your intro. This is basically gonna start this timestamp at 0 and allow this for your intro. Now the next thing you want to do is wherever you want to start like a new section or a new chapter, then you want to go ahead and add in additional time. So let's say I'm going to start it at 30 seconds. I can add in 00:30, and let's say I'm going to call this part 1, right? Then I can add another section that says 00 colon, and I can say this one is going to start at 50 seconds, right? And I'm going to call that part 2, right? Now let's start and let's add another section at 1 minute. So I'm going to call this one at 01:00, and I'm going to call that at, let's say, part 3, right? So this is all you add it. If you have a longer video which is more than 10 minutes, you can always go ahead and add it like 20.40 seconds or something like that. But this video is just about 1 minute and 30 seconds, so this will not work, but you get the general idea. So how you add in the timestamp in a YouTube video is by starting with your intro at 00:00 space, and you write the name of that particular section. You can call it start, you can call it intro, you can call it the beginning, and then wherever you want those different sections to start, you will basically add in the time there and put like a description or a title. I want to recommend that you use these different parts or the title for each second. You want to utilize them to the best because this can help with SEO ranking. So if you're speaking about a specific topic, you want to write them here. Don't just do it like part 1, part 2, like I have it here. You can give it a specific name, you can give it a specific title, specific tool, whatever it might be. You want to go ahead and capitalize on this because this can be like a segment which is related to a dedicated part of a video, and the YouTube SEO and the YouTube algorithm will pick up on this as like a unique video. So let's say your video is speaking about how to make money online or how to do something on YouTube or whatever it might be. You want to go ahead and title each section with that particular word and keyword because the YouTube algorithm will pick up, even if the video title in general does not relate to the overall keyword, it will still pick up on this because it is part of the video and it's a dedicated segment or area within your overall video that speak about a particular topic, and that can help your video to rank for those keywords. So you want to capitalize on keywords for these different sections when you're adding in timestamp. So what I'm gonna do, guys, as you can see, before I save this, I'm gonna go ahead and copy the video link here, and I'm gonna play the video so that you can see that there's no timestamp, and I'm gonna simply mute it for the time being. Now as you can see, this video is playing and there is no timestamp, right? So there's no timestamp within this video, so that shows you that there's no timestamp. And if I go down to the description, you can see that there's no timestamp in this video, right? So I'm gonna go back to the video now, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and save this, and the video is saved. Now if I go back and I refresh this video, let me go down to the description. You can see if I just over this video, you will see that there is timestamp now. So as you can see, here is the intro. This speak about part 1, this speak about part 2, this speak about the part 3. right? So you can see each part is there. And if I scroll into the description of the video as well, you can see that it shows the timestamp. And what you can do, guys, you can click on these different timing here and it will take you to that part in the video. So let's say I want to go to part one, I can press it and it starts at part one, as you can see here. If I want to go to part two, it starts at part two. So you get the idea. It's very easy to do. All you have to do is just ensure that you start with the intro and you put the 00:00 space and put your title of that specific section. Then for each section, you want to go ahead and do the same with basically adding the title for each section. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to add timestamp in YouTube video.